Hey everyone, and welcome back. You wanna capture more leads directly from your website? But in this video, I'll show you exactly how to create Bitrix forms and live chat in just a few steps. For the contact form, just go to your dashboard, CRM, and then create. Fill everything up and make your form. Once you click save, it'll give you a code which you can paste into your website editor, and then you'll get the contact form exactly on your website. Once anyone fills that, you'll get their leads and contact info right here. Now, for the second part, the live chat. Go to Contact Center and then click on Live Chat. Now, you just have to set up your open channels and then you'll have your live chat set up. Get this into your website editor as well, and you'll see the live chat directly on your website. Once anyone fills these things up, you'll see them in the leads. Here, you can deal with them as you wish. You can create automations such as send auto replies and more. And that's it. If this helps you convert more visitors, let me know in the comments. I'll see you in the next